So the very first thing that you have to do is you have to measure out your aluminum wire to 24 inches, which I have already done that. Okay, so I don't need the ruler. Then you want to come up to the top of your aluminum wire and you want to make a loop. I've already done that too, but you just want to make a loop just like that. That's what you want to have. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our aluminum wire and we're going to place it on our dowel. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making some coils, okay? So we're going to be making some, it's like circles, but they're going to be, they're called coils, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to lay that there and we're just going to start wrapping our wire around the dowel, okay? And we're going to go all the way down. You want to try to make sure that you keep your coils as close together as possible as you are going down your dowel, okay? Just like this. And you want to take it all the way down until you can get to about maybe, you want about maybe 2.5, 3 inches left on here. So let's measure this with the ruler. So we have 3 inches. That's pretty much what we want to have, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to wiggle this off. And we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to take this piece up at the top here where we make the loop and we're going to tuck it down inside, just like that, okay? And this is what we're going to have. This is how your piece should be looking, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to take our finger and we're going to pull this apart. Just like that, okay? You want to measure this. Now you don't necessarily have to measure it, but right about now I have 8 inches, okay? I pulled it out till about 8 inches. So the next thing we're going to do is we want to try to make this into a ball, okay? The best way we can. So we're going to bring it around like this. Then we're going to bring it over. And it's kind of like you're just going to be wrapping, and as you go along, wrapping to try to get it into this ball, okay? If possible. And this is pretty much how it's going to look. Every time you do it, it's not going to be the same. It's never going to be the same every time you do it. Okay, but this is pretty much what we have. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make our circle to put our finger in. And we still have a little bit, we have more than enough here up at the top. It's still a little long here. So we're going to cut off about 1 inch. No, we're going to cut 1/2 inch, okay? 1/2 inch is what we're going to cut off. So we're going to come about right here. Always eyeball my stuff, y'all. Cut off about 1/2 inch. And then we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make a loop. But when we make the loop, we're going to make the loop to the side. So I'm going to show you. And I hope you all can see what I'm doing. And this is pretty much what you have. What you are going to have is to the side. The reason why I make my rings adjustable is because when I'm selling my rings, you want to be able to make your rings so that you can, when you decide to sell them, so that anybody can wear them. I seldom make rings where they're sized. I like making my rings adjustable, but that's just me, okay? So once we do that, we're going to try it on to see if it'll fit. Plus, making your rings adjustable gives you the advantage so that anybody can wear your rings, okay? So we take our finger and put it in. and you just squeeze it, and here is our beautiful ring. Now what you can do with this, you can make this really big if you want to, but you have to use more wire. You can make it really big, you can make it smaller. It doesn't necessarily have to be this size. I think this is a good size for a ring. So this is it. Okay. And I just want to thank you all so very much for joining me for this DIY. I know it's been a while since I've done a DIY, but I want to thank you all so very much. Please, if you can, please hit, give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell on the side so that you can get updates when I upload new videos. I normally upload a video maybe every other day. That's when I upload my videos, maybe every other day, pretty much. Be on the lookout for Tuesday Show and Tell. I will be doing my very first Tuesday Show and Tell. That video will be uploaded early in the morning on New Year's Day. So you will have that video. You will be able to see that video Tuesday morning, okay? Also, please join me for Jewelry Talk Live, which airs on Friday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? This is going to be my very first Jewelry Talk Live for 2019. So, with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and please be safe and have a very healthy and prosperous New Year's. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.